Setting up website restrictions on your iPhone 16 helps you control and limit access to specific websites, ensuring a safer browsing experience for you or your family members. Here's how it's done. To get started, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll to find and then tap on Screen Time. Scroll down to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you haven't already, toggle to turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions before proceeding. After enabling it, tap on Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content. Scroll to find web content and then tap on it. Now, select Limit Adult Websites. Then scroll to the Never Allow section. Tap Add Website, then enter the web address or URL that you want to block. Finally, tap Done to save your recent changes. To block additional websites, tap Add Website again. Enter another web address, then tap Done to confirm. Access to the blocked website URL or address will then be restricted. So when someone attempts to access blocked websites on your iPhone, they'll receive a restriction message and the page won't load. This iPhone feature provides control over web content access. Note that you'll need to know your screen time passcode to modify these restrictions later. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.